glitches in the system, reps making errors, backlogs by the IRS. Please keep in mind, until the SBA receives your 2019 tax return from the IRS, your application is not complete. I repeat, until the SBA has received your 2019 tax return from the IRS, your application is not complete. What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. And today I just wanted to update you more on the Eidl advanced news and just provide some updates on my personal progress as well. I want to say thank you to all the people that have viewed, liked, comment, and subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and check out my content, because I have a lot more in the works that I plan to submit. And there's just a lot of content that I intend to post, and some more informative news as well as it relates to SBA overall with the funding. So as many of us know already, the SBA has declined a good amount of people that have applied for the targeted Eidl advances application. And there's been some reasons that they have given, and some of them haven't been adequate. So before I say what I feel like is happening on their end, I want to make sure that we're doing everything in our ability to make sure we're putting the right information in on our application. So the first thing I want you to make sure that you're doing is that you're using the same bank information that you used previously. And as stated in their own stipulations, you must be using not a personal bank account, a business bank account. Please also ensure that you're having your taxes filed if you haven't already, because apparently what they're saying is individuals have not completed the process of filing their 2019 tax returns. So some of the reasons why they're saying that they're declining these applications are the transcript doesn't match the data that was inputted in the initial application. The 30% economic loss was not reached as far as the threshold. And another reason is the fact that people did not mark any employees. So there's some people that have put in their application that there's no employees, which is an automatic decline. Other people are being declined because they do not have a business account, and they have incorrect address as well. And also there's information basically that the transcripts from the IRS, the SBA are receiving are stating that there's zero amount. So for the tax transcripts that are coming back zero, I want to know if there's any people that have been declined, but specifically this also, please comment under this video and let me know what your situation is and why did the information state that there was a zero amount as far as it relates to the transcript on your application. Also, I might have said this earlier in a previous video, but the IRS is backed up from the 2019 tax transcripts. So this is where we go back to them. There could be a situation going on in which, because they are so backed up, the IRS is so backed up, that when the SBA goes to pull up some people's information that have filed their 2019 tax returns, they're only getting zero simply because the IRS doesn't have the information loaded up into their system. That's extremely problematic. And based on the guidance that I have received, they are stating that there is no reconsideration that is currently going on. So those that have been declined, there is no way for them to get a revised application. And so if you've been declined right now as it currently stands, you won't be able to reapply or try to make a revision to adjust any issue that was the reason for why you were declined. I think that it's stupid. I think it's ridiculous, but this is just what we're working with now. However, based on the new leadership that we have, maybe, or she might be able to come in and try to make some type of ramifications for that. Also, we're hoping that people can reach out to politicians and see if any change can be initiated. So I'm going to stay optimistic on that and hope and pray that people are going to be able to get the help that they so need. So make sure that you're getting that information in, man. It'd really suck for that to be the reason why. This is why I'm so big on people making sure that they plan ahead of time, that they have the proper information so they can ensure that things don't get mixed up when it's time to get things done. For those that have logged into the portal and just simply logged in and didn't really receive any guidance as to why they were declined, ask. Call back if you can, email back if you can, and ask why you were declined. And comment below and let me know what they say. Personally, what I think is that it's a mixture of people inputting their information incorrectly, there being a backlog with the IRS, and some systematic errors that might be going on within the SBA. I'm not sure if everybody that is working on the behalf of the SBA is competent enough to handle this workload. Some people may have been declined and have correctly uploaded their information, have filed their taxes, and still have been declined. So there might be some errors going on that end as well. And now, as for an update on my current situation, I still have within the portal that I've been approved. However, there have not been any funds deposited into my business bank account. So I'll continue to keep you updated to see what my status is. And for those that have been approved, let me know, did you receive your money yet? And if so, comment. Furthermore, how many people have been logged into their portal and seen their application still stating submitted? If so, please comment below as well so I can see where you're currently standing, because I want to know how many people that are applying for these things are struggling to get an update or struggling to get any status on their claim. Call them, continue to call them, continue to email them, even if they give you attitude or seem frustrated. That's the only way that I believe that change is going to happen. We have to apply pressure. And personally, if you support me or my content, please follow my Twitter account. I'm going to get more active there and start posting any updates that I see as well. And continue to keep staying posted on this channel, man. There's more that we have to talk about. Even then, I have a lot of things going on currently in my state, or Florida, where there are people that are in need of rental relief, unemployment, that still haven't received their employment, and the business owners here as well. We're all hurting and we're all in this together. So I just want us to stay as optimistic as we can. And of course, people are going to think, yeah, it's easier for me to say because I've been approved, but I haven't received the funds yet either. I won't say it's a complete win until it's been deposited directly into my account. You get what I mean? You feel me? As always, I appreciate the support. Continue to check it out. This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this content, please share, and we'll continue to keep it moving. Peace.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, I come to conquer.